Hi, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have a Glossybox for January 2022, so let's get into it. Glossybox is gifted to me free for review, but you will always get my honest review. Always, always, always. It is $21 per month with my link and my code below, which is just Catherine. Your first box will be $16 per month. And this is one of the ones that, of course, the further out you go, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, it lowers the cost of the box. I'll put that information below for you. But let's get in here and see what we've got. We open up this Glossybox, which I've talked about the boxes enough. I'm gonna try and do it less in the new year. It's an awesome box. That's what it looks like on the inside. Tied up so pretty in the ribbon. Oh, I forgot this about Glossybox. We don't have paperwork anymore. I guess everybody is trying to be more mindful and save a tree, so I don't have paperwork on these, so we're just gonna do our best. I will try and put prices down here for you as we go so you'll know how much the value of the box is. First out, and right on top, we have an After Spa, black marble facial roller. I was gonna say I have a million of these, so I will probably set this aside, but I don't think I have a black marble one. You guys know I enjoy gua sha. I think it's relaxing. I think that it helps with drainage. That is so, I hope it comes across that it's just black marble. It is so pretty. And you can just, and it's so cool right now from the coolness of the house, I guess. Oh my goodness, I would imagine in the summer, this would be fantastic. I like After Spa. I believe they are the same brand as the Daily Concepts that you guys have seen me go on and on about. I love this brand. But the back says, treat your face to its own spa-like skincare massage treatment with the black marble facial roller to encourage smooth and radiant skin that's soft to the touch. So that's our first item. Usually we have 6 to 7 items. It's a combination of deluxe samples and full-sized. This is the Julep Love Your Bare Face Brightening Cleansing Cloth. Gently removes makeup and cleanses skin. Licorice extract. Licorice extract helps brighten uneven skin tone. And there are 30 towelettes. That is what that looks like. I was going to say I rarely use these on my face, but I always keep some up here for when I do my swatches so that I can clean right up. So I'll just put this in that pile, but it has licorice in it. So instead, I will set it aside. I have a new teenage granddaughter that I bet would love it. Now, oh, I'm grabbing right for this because I just did this. It is the Le Mini Macaron Moisturizing Foot Mask with Lavender Oil. I did this, I am taping this on Monday. I did this last weekend, not the one we just had, but the prior. I did this and it made my feet so soft. It did smell like lavender, so you have to like lavender, but it wasn't a strong smell. And I just slid my little feet into them, left them in for probably about 20 minutes. It doesn't brag about the fact that you could walk around in these, but I could have walked around in these. Depending on the slickness of your forehead, you have to be careful, but I am so happy to have another one of these. I will be doing it next weekend. Next out, we have a Codex Anto Brightening Serum, and it is 0.17 fluid ounces, 5 ml. That is what it looks like. And it does not tell me anything on the back about what it is or what it does. So I will let you know right here if it's like an eye serum or a face serum, that kind of thing. Next out, we have a Philip Kingsley, always a good hair product, Bond Builder Split End Remedy. I will use all of the hair things. All of the hair things. It is breaking, so I'm having a bad hair day today. It's so flat, right? I don't know why it's so flat today. This is 20 ml, 0.67 fluid ounces, and I imagine you put it on while your hair is still damp before you blow dry. Ooh, it's clear. I did not anticipate it, it's just right here, just being completely clear. I thought it was gonna be like a cream. Thought we'd smell it. The way hair things smell, always very important to me. Oh, it smells very good. I like that a lot. It has more slip in it than I thought. I expected it, first of all, I expected it to be a cream. Oh no, it's going away. I was gonna say it has a little bit of what might be a silicone slip, but it's drying down immediately. So yeah, I will definitely be trying this. Next out, we have a Daydreamer Your Dream Cleanser Come True by Bloom. And it is 20 ml. That is what it looks like. And it says made with all natural ingredients like chamomile, geranium, lavender, and giant sea kelp. This gentle cleanser will leave you feeling heavenly, calming, hydrating, and not stripping. Okay, well, yes, I will be trying this for sure. We'll try it on this hand because we want to know what the cleanser's. This one, which I would have expected to be more moist and clear, is a nice heavy cream. It's like they put the wrong things in the tubes. I'm sure they didn't. It looked very creamy, but it spread out really easily. It smells good. It doesn't have a lot of scent to it. Oh, that feels nice. I will be trying this on my face. And last but not least, out of the box, we have an Invisibobble Bun Star. And that is what it looks like. What does it do? Secures bun, quick and easy to use, invisible in the hair, light feel, high wearing comfort, traceless and hair loving. I will try this. Oh, there's 2 in here, by the way. There's 2 in here. I will try this, and if it works, I'll put a picture up over on my Insta. I don't have a lot of hair to cover even, here, let's take it out, to cover even a small piece of plastic like this. I know my hair's really long, but there's not a lot of it, and there seems to be less. Can you tell that it's kind of angled? That is what it looks like. So you're probably gonna, and then just turn it in. I will play with it, and like I said, if there's a good outcome, I will let you know. It looks like it comes with, which is good for me, a nice little pamphlet that's going to tell me how to do it. So that was our January Glossybox. We had this nice foot mask that I have used before and loved, the Julep Brightening Cleansing Wipes, the After Spa Black Marble Roller, the Invisibobbles to make a bun, the Codex Antu Brightening Serum. We don't know what that does yet. The Bloom Daydreamer Cleanser, definitely going to try that. And the Philip Kingsley Bond Builder. Pretty clever, huh? I will put the link below. It will get you your first box, which won't be this box in theory right now. It would be the February box, but we'll get you your first box for $16. And like I said, the longer you go out, the less expensive the box can become. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon. Take care, guys.